Top 5 Best Electric Brad Nailers. Number 5. Ryobi P320 AIRSTRIKE. The Ryobi P320 AIRSTRIKE brad nailer is an affordable yet pretty basic nail gun. But that doesn't mean it cannot deliver. It has a nice, solid casing which houses a heavy-duty and reliable motor. It can drive brads flush into the toughest workpieces easily. This nailer has a built-in LED lighting to help you see your workpiece in poorly lit job sites. It has a sequential trigger system, ensuring a safer operation at your workshop. It has a belt hook so you can have it within reach while you work. It does lack some of the features of the other brad nailers, hence the lower price tag. But it does the job, does it really well, in fact, and that's what's important. Pros: this is one of the most affordable brad nailers on the list. Its magazine can accommodate as many as 105 brads. It has a long-lasting battery that can drive as much as 1,700 brads per charge. It only weighs 5 pounds, which makes it one of the lightest nailers on the list. The colored low nail indicator tells you when it's time to reload. Cons: the Ryobi battery and charger are sold separately. Coming in number 4. Paslode 918100 Cordless Brad Nailer. The Paslode 918100 Cordless Brad Nailer is a great tool to have in your arsenal whether you're a cabinet maker or a carpenter. Driving brads into the toughest pieces of wood is not a problem with this nail gun. Its longer ultra-slim nozzle ensures that you can drive brads into tight corners when toenailing. It is longer and bulkier than the other brad nailers owing to its unique design. The motor is encased in a larger housing, while the battery is placed inside a compartment on the handle. The handle is larger, so you can hold comfortably without accidentally pressing the trigger. Pros: this is great for precision nailing thanks to its ultra-slim nozzle. Its high-capacity lithium-ion battery can discharge as much as 12,000 nails every charge. It is difficult to accidentally press the trigger and misfire because the handle is longer and fits larger hands. The belt hook is reversible. The package includes a Paslode 7.4-volt lithium-ion battery, a carrying case, and safety glasses. Cons: the housing is rather bulky. It can be difficult to squeeze it into tight spaces if not for the ultra-slim nozzle. Coming in number 3. Craftsman CNC618C1. If you're looking for an affordable brad nailer, then you might want to check out the Craftsman CNC618C1 brad nailer kit. So, what's inside the box? You'll get the nailer, a lithium-ion battery, a charger, and an assortment of brads. This Craftsman brad nailer makes a good impression right off the bat. The housing looks solid and heavy-duty, while the motor's performance was reliable even when used on a tough workpiece. It has a safety trigger right below the trigger. When activated, this ensures that you won't be able to fire off brads and injure yourself or someone else in case you accidentally pull the trigger. It has a safer sequential trigger system. Plus, the LED lights are only activated when you press the nose of the nailer to your workpiece. Pros: the package includes the brad nailer itself, the battery pack, and 300 brad nails of different lengths. The tool-free depth adjustment wheels at the side and convenient depth adjustment window. It has a sequential trigger system that ensures a safer workplace. The rubber over-molded handle keeps it secure in your grip. The belt hook allows you to store and keep it within reach as you work. Cons: it is on the heavy side even without the battery attached. Coming in number 2. DeWalt DCN680B brad nailer. The DeWalt DCN680B brad nailer can make any contractor's job easier. This is an 18-gauge nail gun with a powerful and reliable brushless motor. Because it is battery-powered, you can work in remote job sites or even in areas where you can't bring an air compressor with you. No more tangled hoses, and you can say goodbye to lugging an air compressor around different job sites thanks to its cordless design. It is compatible with DeWalt's 20-volt max batteries that you might already have. But keep in mind that the battery and charger are not yet included in this particular model. It is rather bulky and heavy, but you'll know even at first glance that it is made from high-quality and heavy-duty materials. The handle is covered in textured rubber overmold, and it comes with a belt hook for easy storage. There are several things that I really like about this tool. One of the best features of this tool is the presence of the ultra-bright dual LED lights at the base. This is one of the features that you never thought you needed until you literally see how it has improved your line of sight. You can switch from sequential to contact or bump firing and vice versa with its toolless trigger actuation modes. Plus, a colored indicator inside the magazine warns you when it's time to reload. Coming in number 1. PorterCable PCC790L Brad Nailer Kit. The PorterCable PCC790L Brad Nailer Kit is a great addition to your growing collection of nail guns. It offers more value for your money compared to other Brad nail guns as the package already comes with a battery and charger. It has a toolless depth adjustment dial located at the side. The adjustment indicator window located near the dial tells you whether you have set the right nail depth or not. It has a high-capacity magazine that can accommodate brads ranging from 5/8 inch to 2 inches. It doesn't need a hex wrench to clear jams, and it already comes with 2 no-mar tips. This PorterCable Brad Nailer has a sequential trigger system, ensuring safer operation. It might seem so expensive at first, but keep in mind that you will also receive a battery pack along with the unit. Not having to buy a separate battery package can save a lot of money. Pros: it has 2 built-in LED lights that illuminate your work surface. It has a toolless depth adjustment wheel and depth adjustment window. The battery, charger, and no-mar tip are already included. It has a sequential trigger system to ensure a safer workplace. Its rubber overmold has a good texture that helps prevent the tool from slipping from your grasp. Cons: the tool and the battery are heavy, and they're going to take their toll on your arms if you're going to work all day long.